Hello everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about the two topics. One is amniocentesis and medical termination of pregnancy. Okay. In the previous classes we have studied which are the methods of contraception and all. So let us discuss amniocentesis process now. Okay. So amniocentesis means it's a prenatal diagnostic test. Okay. So when the embryo is still developing in the womb, right, okay, in the uterus, the fetus is developing, which is surrounded by multiple layers. In these layers the fluid is present. Okay, this is the umbilical cord and here is the placenta, everything you have studied it, right. So a small we'll study the procedure. Why this diagnostic test? What is the diagnostic test? It means to check on the embryonic development, whether any defect in the fetus is there, or what are the chromosomal defects in the baby, or whether this baby is completely healthy or not. To study the fetus and its development, this is the test which is required, right. Amniocentesis is a prenatal diagnostic test. That means when this baby is developing, when the embryo is developing in the womb of a mother. So what is the procedure? First is take out the amniotic fluid, right. Okay, so what they do, how they perform this test means, the layer which is surrounded the fetus, the fluid that is not more than 10 ml, that fluid is extracted, and in the fluid there are the fetal cells. Okay, when the fetus is continuously dividing, few cells of the fetus are present in this amniotic fluid which is surrounding the fetus. Okay, from that fluid, few cells of the fetus is extracted. Okay, and that cells are grown or cultured in the lab, I mean to say out of the body. Okay, and the cell culture, once we culture the cell, this whole procedure is not important for you, but just to understand the procedure I am explaining it. Okay, so the cells are cultured. Cultured means they are grown, the cells are grown. So when culturing of the cells, the chromosome, how the chromosomes are present in the baby, the analysis of chromosome takes place. That is nothing but the karyotyping. It is called as karyotyping, where the chromosomes are arranged. Okay, once the chromosomes are arranged in the dividing stage, then what happens? All the structures of the chromosome are studied, and if there is any defect in the chromosome, definitely then it is risky. The baby is not safe. So this is how the amniocentesis is performed, and to know whether any chromosomal defects are there in the fetus. Okay, this is to check. This is about amniocentesis. Now we'll study the second topic, that is, I'll tell you what is the importance of this test. Okay, here we'll study that. Medical termination of pregnancy. Okay, so contraception is to prevent the pregnancy. Okay, once already the pregnancy has occurred, then there is a concept, that is medical termination of pregnancy. Shortly it is called as MTP, or it is also called as induced abortion. Okay, actually speaking, abortion is illegal, but in some cases the government of India legalized the MTP, that is medical termination procedure, that too in 1971 under MTP Act. MTP stands for medical termination of pregnancy. Okay, what is the condition? It is allowed, but only when the continuation of the pregnancy is deadly dangerous, I mean to say it is dangerous for either the mother or the child. Okay, only in case of the pregnancy where the continuation, if the pregnancy continues, either it is harmful or dangerous to the mother or the fetus. Only in that case the government of India has legalized the MTP. Rest of the cases it is not legal. Okay, it is not allowed, and also in some cases like rape and all, to prevent the, not to prevent, to terminate the pregnancy, that time also this is legal. And what is the definition of MTP? Intentional or voluntary termination of the pregnancy. That too should be done before the full term. That means this termination of the pregnancy or else induced abortion is done in the first trimester, okay, only in the first trimester. That means you have studied there is 1 month to, what is the gestation period in human? That is 9 months, okay. The pregnancy period or the gestation period is 9 months, and the first 3 months is first trimester, second is 4th, 5th, 6th month is the second trimester, and from 7th month, 7, 8, 9, the last 3 months are third trimester, okay. So the first, the MTP, that means the medical termination of pregnancy, is done in the first trimester, okay, in the initial stage of the pregnancy period, that is gestation period, okay. The gestation period is 9 months and the first 3 months it is done, okay, and only that too under some conditions, that is when the continuation of the pregnancy is dangerous to mother or the fetus, and if the fetus is having any chromosomal defect, then also the doctors suggest to go for medical termination of the pregnancy to abort the child, okay. So how to know whether the fetus is developing in a proper developmental conditions or not? That is done by this process, that is amniocentesis, right. So now you got the importance of this test, right. So this is about medical termination of pregnancy. This is the definition and these are the conditions when it is done, okay. The other cases it is completely illegal. So this is about MTP. So in the next class we will study about STDs.